Alright, so the wheels are officially installed on the Acura Integra Type S. These are SSR GTX01 in gunmetal blue. Take a look at this color. I'm usually not a fan of colored wheels, but it's very subtle. I think it looks awesome against the paint, which Acura calls liquid, what is it? Liquid carbon metallic, basically like a dark charcoal gray. In this video here was the first day I installed them. The sun's out, but it's not super bright. And they give off more of the bluish tint, more of that blue vibe. In direct sunlight or other lights, it gives you more of that gunmetal look. And in a little bit, I'm going to show you a video of another day where it's a little sunnier and you're going to see that. Now take a look at this fitment. I think it's pretty damn good. This is really close to being flush. The tires are the OEM tires. The specs on these wheels are 19, I'm trying to think. Off the top of my head, I'll put it on screen if I'm wrong. 19 by 9.5 plus 38. I'll probably put on screen the stock and then this one, because I forget what the stock OEM specs are, but the tires are the OEM ones. Look at this fitment. Beautiful fitment with the factory wide body kit. And I forget the weight. Again, I'm just kind of voicing over talking. There's the S2000 in the back. New wheels on that too. Well, not brand new, but wheels that we made that we're gonna have available to the public soon. But these these wheels here, the 19 by 9.5 SSRs, they are lighter than the OEM. So real quick, I wanted to show you how it looks completely stock. The stock wheel, stock suspension. Notice the wheel gap and how tucked in the wheels are. Now here they are with the SSR GTX01 and iBox springs. Again, another little angle you can see tucked in and that wheel gap. And here they are sitting nice and flush. Perfect drop. Just want to show you a back-to-back. Now you see these titanium tips over here. This is the MBRP exhaust. Both the wheels and the exhaust will be available on Driven District if you're interested. I usually don't like titanium tipped exhaust. I like the rolled chrome, polished, whatever. But they only had titanium tips at the time. I actually liked it, and that was another reason why I went with these wheels, the gunmetal blue. It kind of complements it really well. Now in this video here, this is that second video I was referring to where the sun is really shining on it. You can still see they're blue, but do you see how you kind of see the gunmetal color a little bit more and the blue it doesn't pop, so to say, as much. So I really like this color. It's a color where if you want something unique, but you still want to kind of stay a little subtle, gunmetal blue by SSR, I think it's a perfect balance of something that stands out but something that still looks good. You could see here they're not too vibrant blue, hence the name gunmetal blue. I think they look awesome against this paint. They're lighter. I'll have all that information on screen. And like I said, if you're interested, they are available on Driven District. They do make them in other colors too. If you don't want gunmetal blue, I think they have them in silver, black. I'll link it below in the description or in the comments. You could take a peek and see. If you're interested, reach out. We'll hook you up with the best deal possible. And that's going to be about it. We're going to have more content on the new to me 2001 Honda Prelude. So now we got the S2000, the Acura Integra Type S, and the new Honda Prelude. The S2000 is getting supercharged. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.